SAP BusinessObjects is an enterprise software company, specializing in business intelligence. BusinessObjects was acquired in 2007 by German company SAP AG. The company claimed more than 46,000 customers worldwide in its final earnings release prior to being acquired by SAP. Its flagship product is BusinessObjects XI, with components that provide performance management, planning, reporting, query and analysis and enterprise information management. BusinessObjects also offers consulting and education services to help customers deploy its business intelligence projects. Other toolsets enable universes and ready-written reports to be stored centrally and made selectively available to communities of users. History: Bernard Liautaud co-founded BusinessObjects in 1990 together with Dennis Pear and was Chief Executive Officer until September 2005, when he became Chairman and Chief Strategy Officer until January 2008. In 1990, the first customer, Coface, was signed. The company went public on Nasdaq in September 1994, making it the first European software company listed in the United States. In 2002, the company made Time magazine Europe's digital top 25 of 2002 and were Business Week Europe Stars of Europe. On October 7, 2007, SAP AG announced that it would acquire BusinessObjects for $6.8 billion. As of January 22, 2008, the corporation is fully operated by SAP. This is seen as part of a growing consolidation trend in the business software industry, with Oracle acquiring Hyperion in 2007 and IBM acquiring Cognos in 2008. BusinessObjects had two headquarters in San Jose, California, and Paris, France, but their biggest office was in Vancouver, Canada. The company's stock was traded on both the Nasdaq and Euronext Paris stock exchanges. Legal: On April 2, 2007, a lawsuit from Informatica resulted in an award of $25 million in damages to Informatica for patent infringement. The lawsuit related to embedded data flows with one input and one output. Informatica asserted that the ActorWorks product infringed several Informatica patents including U.S. Patent No. 6014670 and 6339775, both titled Apparatus and Method for Performing Data Transformations in Data Warehousing. BusinessObjects subsequently released a new version of Data Integrator which removed the infringing product capability. Timeline: 1990. BusinessObjects launches Skipper SQL 2.0x. 1994, launches BusinessObjects v3.0 and goes public on the Nasdaq in September. The first French company listed in the United States. 1996, enters the OLAP market and launches BusinessObjects v4.0. Bernard Liautaud named one of Businessweek's hottest entrepreneurs of the year. 1997, introduces WebIFIN client, which enables shared information across an extranet. 1999, General Electric begins working with the company. BusinessObjects goes public in France on the Premier Marche copyright. Acquires Next Action Technologies, 2000, acquires OLAP at Work for approximately $15 million and announces MDX Connect from this acquisition. 2001, SAP signs an OEM and reseller agreement to bundle Crystal Reports. Acquires Blue Edge Software. 2001, signs up its single largest global software licensing transaction with 3, formerly known as Hutchison 3G transaction was led by Edwin Mormonoff and John Stubbington of the UK company. 2002, acquires Actor Technologies. Bernard Liautaud named to Businessweek's Stars of Europe, and the company is named one of the 100 fastest-growing tech companies by Business 2.0. Informatica files a lawsuit against Actor, claiming patent rights infringement. 2003, acquires Crystal Decisions for $820 million. BusinessObjects releases Dashboard Manager, BusinessObjects Enterprise 6, and BusinessObjects Performance Manager. 2004, debuts new combined company with the slogan, Our Future is Clear, Crystal Clear. Launches Crystal v10 and BusinessObjects v6.5. 2005, launches BusinessObjects 11. acquires SRC Software, Information, and Mediance. Launches BusinessObjects Enterprise 11 Release 2. 2006, BusinessObjects acquires First Logic, Incorporated and NSITE Software, Incorporated. 2006, acquires ALG Software. Launches Crystal Celsius, which allows users to transform Microsoft Excel spreadsheet data into interactive flash media files. 2007, continuing its string of acquisitions, BusinessObjects acquires Cartesis and Inkst. 2007, in October, SAP AG's chief executive Henning Kagemann announced a $6.8 billion deal to acquire BusinessObjects. 2008, in January, SAP absorbs all of BusinessObjects' offices, and renames the entity BusinessObjects, an SAP company. Following the acquisition of BusinessObjects by SAP, the founder and CEO of BusinessObjects, Bernard Liautaud, announces his resignation. 2009, BusinessObjects becomes a division of SAP instead of a separate company. The portfolio brand SAP BusinessObjects was created. Some former BusinessObjects employees now officially work for SAP. Products, common services for deployment and management of BI tools, reporting, query and analysis tools for self-service reporting, including Lumira and WebEye. Enterprise reporting access, format, and deliver printable information to large populations of users. Data visualization supports creation of Flash HTML dashboards and dynamic charts and graphics with data from BO universes, SQL databases, or Excel spreadsheets. Universe Designer, an administrator tool used to construct universes or abstracted end-user views of a database. Allows predefining table joins, object descriptions, and measure object behavior during aggregation. This tool is succeeded by Information Design Tool and SAP BusinessObjects 4.0. Enterprise Information Management integrates and improves data to create a trusted foundation for business decisions. Creates a basis for querying and analysis through ETL or EII. Enterprise Performance Management helps users align with strategy by tracking and analyzing key business metrics and goals via management dashboards, scorecards, analytics, and alerting. InfoView Web Portal, which is succeeded by BI Launchpad in SAP BusinessObjects 4.0, offers analysis, a plugin for Microsoft Excel, allowing users to connect directly to the business warehouse from within Office, creating a familiar environment and even allowing users the ability to save the report for later use in WEBI. BusinessObjects Planning and Consolidation, a corporate performance management tool which runs within Microsoft Excel on-demand BI software, hosted on the web. References. External links, SAP BusinessObjects Portfolio.